Hi mums and cute little babies, welcome to ICAREBABY. Easter is coming, so I have planned some fun Easter activities for my toddler. So I would like to share those with you. So stay tuned. Get into holiday spirit and festive mood. Get ready for Easter party and decorate some Easter basket. Engage the kids in exciting small event. Egg hunt activity is always been a fun for kids on Easter. Finding a treasure inside an egg, whether it is a small treat or a gift, is exciting for kids for ages. So this Easter, celebrate with some more fun activities that will not only develop their skills but also make the learning easy and filled with joy. So let's check out the 3 Easter fun activities for the toddler. Number 1. PlayDoh activity. There is no better way to celebrate the spring than to be a creative. Kids love to play with a PlayDoh and it helps them to be a creative the way they want. For this activity, I am using the Wilton cookie cutter which I bought from the Walmart. It's made up of plastic, so it's safe to use. So we took egg shape and bunny shape cookie cutter for making a shape of PlayDoh. This is totally fun. My toddler is really enjoying in doing the same. Number 2 activity is what I call scoop out. For this activity, we are taking some colorful eggs which I bought from the Dollar Tree, water in a vessel, spoon and some small party cups again from the Dollar Tree. So this game is very easy. Simply scoop out the eggs from the water with the help of spoon and put it in the glass. This will help in improving the concentration and hand-eye coordination. My toddler is enjoying this activity a lot, and slowly and gradually they start developing their own way of playing the game, and we don't have control on it. So be ready for a mess. But I feel sometimes mess is worth the joy. Are you ready for this activity?
Yes.
Okay, so let's find an egg, but I'll give you a clue, okay? Where is plant? Wow, can you see the egg? Good job! Wow, what's inside?
It's a tea.
What it is?
Tea.
Tea! Wow! Okay, give it to mommy. Can you find a house? Wow! Can you see an egg there? Wow, what's inside?
A.
Hey, it's an A for
Apple.
good job! Okay, where is the bed? Bed. Can you see an egg there? Can you find? Wow, you got it! Good job! What's inside?
S.
Wow, S for?
Sun.
Good job! Let's go to other room. Last but not the least, the number 3 activity is what I call the letter hunt. As you have seen already, this is a great searching fun activity to help them to identify the objects at home as well as help them to learn the new words. So we have placed a magnetic letter inside an egg. So these are the spark magnetic letter which I bought from the Walmart. So we're going to create the word out of it once we are done with the egg hunting. So let's create a word out of it. Yay! Do you want to play that?
Yes.
Okay. So words E, A. Where is S? S. Where is S? Can you place S here? S. 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 Where is T? T. Place the T here. Yeah. Where is E? Place the E here. And where is R? R. So what is this? Easter. And this is, place here. Easter. And where is G? Place here G. Oh, you already got the 2G. Good job. So what it is? It's a Easter egg. Wow. Say with mommy loudly. Easter egg. Say. Easter egg. Easter fun activity. Okay, let's say with mama. Easter. Say Easter egg activity and fun with mommy. I'm mommy and you're my son. Happy Easter. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and if you tried out any of these activities, let me know in comments down below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update from ICAREBABY. Till then, ciao.